It is here. It is finally time. From Newegg, ordered this the day they released, last Tuesday. This is a week later. I ordered 2-day shipping. You right? 2 days equals 7 somehow. Anyway, this is the 4090. Let's see what we got. I'm excited. This is an unboxing, I guess. I expected this to be heavier though. Going through all the reviews, I expected this to be way heavier than it is. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my. The excitement is killing me. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, the reason I went with the Gigabyte one, I ain't even gonna hold you. I just got whichever one I can get. I just got whichever one I could get. Now let's open this joint up and see what's to it. Hold on, I'll move the camera a little bit. But that's like double me or whatever. Whatever though. I ain't got no crazy camera setups like everybody else in the world. So yeah, why do I got my voice on? I say my voice, it's like my prestigious voice. It's like double me. You looking at me right there and you looking at me right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. I would have recorded this with like my phone or something, but nah. Nah. Yeah, buddy. Gigabyte, what's this? No shot. This is a CD. There's no way this is a CD. Okay, it's not. I say, who got those slots? Installation. An anti-sag bracket. Installation guide. Yeah, we're gonna keep this. Registration. Register for 4-year warranty. Oh yeah. We need that. We need those. We need those. All right. Let's get into this box, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. They got the sag bracket stuff, I would presume. Yeah. Yeah. Sag bracket joints. We're gonna see what's to it too. All right, they got the cable. They got the cable. W. They got the cable. I believe I have one of these with my power supply. And the screws probably for the sag bracket. Matter of fact, let me put the sag bracket stuff back in here. Nope. All right. Yeah, put that back in there. Graphics card time. Graphics card time. Oh my God. Oh Jesus Christ. This is how the first cell phones used to look. Hold on, let me call somebody. Yeah, is Fred there? Bro. Nah, matter of fact, these bigger than them cell phones. What am I talking about? I'm low-key selling them cell phones. This is way bigger than that. Hold on, for reference, there's a P5. With a P5 on a stand. The P5 is on a stand, so realistically, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, whatever. Let's get in tune. Let's get in tune. Good God. The comment section. Maybe the comment section will be like, why did you buy this or whatever. Look, I work hard. I save my money. And tech is one of the things that I love. So once they announce this card, and like I said, I have a 3080 in my system, so I don't think I said that, but I have a 3080 12 gigabyte in my system, so yeah, this is going to be a crazy upgrade for me. Thumbnail type joint? Hold on. Neither one of those is going to be the thumbnail. Good God. Okay. Oh, they got the joints. You got to peel it right here too. All right, hold on. Wait, where's this peeler? Oh, this is that one of them satisfaction peels. ASMR. I don't even know if it picked that up. I don't think it did. I'm a weirdo. I know. I just smelled it. I don't know. I don't know why, but yeah. Let's go. Oh, they got some plastic right here too. Well, let's get this plastic. Hey, yo. This plastic kind of all over the place. Nice. I mean, this is plastic. I saw a lot of people complain about it. Aesthetically, this looks really good. I ain't gonna hold you. Aesthetically, this looks really good. I think it's time. I think it's the time everybody been waiting for. I think it's time for me to hook this bad boy into my PC. Hold on, let's take this out. 3 DisplayPort cables. 1 HDMI cable. Okay. I mean, who using HDMI? Not me. Got the GeForce joint right there. Then the Gigabyte gonna light up right there. Oh my goodness. Looks like a microwave oven, like, bro. Nah, what they call it? One of the toaster oven joints. One of the toaster oven joints. Hold on, I got my bag of cords. Bow. Hold on. I think I already got them joints hooked in. Or is this one? Yeah, it's this one. Yeah. It's this one. The 600-watt joint. Focus. There we go. You can see it says 600 watt. This comes with the new PCs. So this is the cable that's going to be connecting to mine. I don't need this little alien crazy looking one. I could just use the single 600 watt. The 600 watts to hook into there, to hook into here. And it's labeled to hold 600 watts. So we in there. Let's get in tune. Next time I see y'all, we will be here showing the PC. Currently on my cell phone to show you guys the PC right now. We got the new, well, I don't know if it's the new, but we got a torrent case, and we are about to be hooking in the new CPU. Well, GPU. Also got to hook in my AverMedia Live Gamer 4K for my P5. So let's get in tune, man. Let's do this. All right, now for reference, I had the Zotac 3080. Okay, it's actually, you know, width-wise, it's not that much crazy, but when you put them joints like that, yeah, that joint's something decent. So let's go ahead and pop this into, I probably gotta take out all of these joints, but let's, all right, let's get it. Let's get this baby into here. Now to prepare, I took off all of the joints on the side because I don't know how many pins this is gonna be, but let's click this joint in. Hold on. But yeah, this joint, yeah. We definitely better put that joint on there. Jesus. Let's get it, Joe. Now we have the 600 watt cable. I'm gonna hook that joint right into there. Bam, bam, it's in. Now you gotta make sure you got you a nice power supply that supports that cable, or you're gonna have to use the alien that they send with you, but this one's much cleaner. So yeah, and then we hook that right into, I don't know, right down there, the 12 volt power one right there. Got it in there. So now we just got that one wire, other than the other joint that was, yeah. Now I gotta clean up a bunch of this, but yeah, that's how that joint look in now. Got a big enough case too. Still got a bunch of room over here, so good like that. All right, look at that. That look much better. That one cord. I definitely got to get those white wires together. But yeah, let's hook in everything. And you see, I got my AverMedia joint down there. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, with everything hooked in, let's flip on the power supply. All right, now the moment of truth. Hey, that's clean. That is clean. Yo. Hold on, let's turn the lights off. That joint clean.
Kind of worried about my AverMedia Live Gamer 4K at the bottom, because that joint ain't been coming on in that slot. I've been having to use the other slot, but we shall see. I think the BIOS is definitely taking the time to roll up, but yeah.
So we got it into the PC. We gotta add this to the collection. Behind me, look, I didn't crush the hot chip challenge. In case you want to know, only friends. Yeah, podcast, ridiculous. But we got the Ryzen 9 7950X. A live gamer. Get out of here. RTX 4090 box behind me. Welcome. A lot of things behind me. It'll build up as the years progress. But yeah, just so you guys, you know what I'm saying? Build the system information. As you can see, the processor, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. Motherboard, tough gaming, X670E plus Wi-Fi. Even though the Wi-Fi is yeah, I gotta find it. NVIDIA RTX 4090. Yes, sir. We here. These are the 3D Mark Time Spy results. First fresh run. Yeah, my mic had cut out, so yeah, but these are the results. Now, if you want to see all the components that went into making this build, I actually went live and built, basically put everything inside of the PC without the 4090, clearly. But that's on the channel. It's a past live stream. It's building my 4090 build, something like that. But be sure to drop a like, subscribe. We out. Peace.